Yeah, group number 50 and here to present our project demo on WolfTrack. Firstly, I'm gonna go on the login button and hit it. After hitting the login button, I would get the login page, which is very cool when we see from a user perspective because we have added the image on the background and we have also improved the form visibility to the user in the middle. In previous versions, they just used to have a blank text which says to type the username, password, and user role. It doesn't really have a user friendliness in it. So apart from the UI, we have also made form validations in a real time. Let let me show you when I type in the password. So if I type in the password, it says that password must be at least 8 characters long, and this is done in real time, which is not done in previous versions. After hitting the right password and hitting the student role, I would hit on the login button to log in as a user. So on the left we can see a user profile, on the middle we can see applied jobs, which is job board management, and on the right we can see there is a resume, uh, add resume and download resume buttons, and this UI is almost similar to the previous version's UI, but the only thing which we have done is the important thing, that is add job applications and the job applications management, which is not at all there in previous versions, and the resume part which we have done in our own versions. After clicking on choose files and clicking on some random PDF and add, for adding the resume, we need to click on add resume button after choosing the PDF or some random dot word or some random. And after hitting the add resume button, we can, if a user wants to see his or her resume, a user can directly click on the download resume button, which downloads the resume which he or she added to the application, to this portal. When I go on to add job application and click it, I can see a model class which is being shown, which we have developed using Bootstrap, and this improves a user friendliness. So rather than having normal form on the same page, we have used model classes which improve the user friendliness. After typing all the details of job, we can go on to add job application, which adds the job application to the dashboard in real time. So here we can see two features, which says edit and delete. If I click on to this edit button, we can see that there is a page shown which says update job application. So I would update this job application status from applied to in progress and say to update the job application. So here we can see the status has been changed from applied to in progress in real time, and all the details we can change in real time, not only the status. So if I click on the delete button, I would get a confirmation page which says, are you sure you want to delete this job application? If the user clicks on the cancel, the request will be cancelled, and if the user clicks on delete, the entire row, the entire job application details would be vanished or dismissed from the dashboard. So after clicking on the delete, we can see that the entire job application details has been deleted from the dashboard. So let me have that job application which helps in showing other part of the demos, part in our demo. So if I click on to search jobs, which is already present in previous versions, but there are one cool feature which we have added, that is add to applied button, which saves the user time a lot by not adding by not explicitly typing the all the details of job which he or she have applied to. So it saved all the time of the user. If I go on click to add to applied, it says the job successfully added to the current user's applied jobs. If I go on OK and click OK, we can see in dashboard that the job has been added directly into our job board. And another cool feature which we have done is if a user, let's suppose if a user has 100 or 150 applications, tracking his applications would be difficult for the user. So in that cases, a user needs a search bar to search his application which he or she has done. So we had added the search bar which searches on any of the part of the application. Like he can type in the company name, location, job position he has applied to, or anything. Let me type in BP energy. So if I type in B or P or some other random characters, I can see there's a text shown in the below which has all the characters of BP in the rows. This is the cool feature which we have added to identify which which applications he have done previously. If a user has multiple applications, this is the cool feature to tag his application by typing in the search bar. Apart from this, we have also made a new feature, which not a new feature. Uh, we have optimized the skill extraction. In previous versions, they used to take around 3 or 4 minutes and the server used to crash because of having a big text. So in our versions, we have done if I copy some random job application job description and paste it here, I uh, this big job description was not and they were unable to handle the previous versions were unable to handle this big job descriptions. we have we are able to handle this big job descriptions by optimizing the algorithm for extracting the skills. So if I go on to extract skills and click it, I can extract all the skills from the job description. So here we can see JavaScript, Java, AWS, React, and it has been extracted. So this is all which we have done in our newer versions. So thank you.